So you ever wanted to know how to make custom Gucci Air Force Ones with stencils? I'm about to show you step by step of how we bring these bad boys to light. So stay to the end of the video and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for your boy. So let's go ahead and get these bad boys out the box, unlaced and prepped up. So these are all the materials you're going to need. Slow it down if you need to, but I showed y'all my hand back there because I didn't wear no gloves. And if you don't wear no gloves, your hands gonna get dried out in seconds. Let's start with this chocolate. Always make sure you just do a 2-to-1 ratio with paint to too thin. And I had to put my protectant down because my girl killed me if I get paint all over this new desk that we just got, which we love. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have a link to that down in the description as well, just in case you want to have one. It's really fire, but I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of pain in the Make sure y'all got a Cricut. Like, if you're gonna get in this custom game, if you don't got no Cricut yet, it's tripping. Come on now. It is a game changer to the business. Look at our stencils just like that. And I got the file if you want some stencils. If you don't have this machine, I got the stencils for you. But if you got the machine and you need the files, I got that too. Link in bio. If you made it this far, type Gucci Blossom. If you made it this far in the video and you're still here, I very much appreciate it. Behind the scenes of my boy cooking up, man, this one-on-one jacket came out fire, made from scratch too. Went to Joanne Fabrics and just got all the materials and painted the logos on the back, stitch it all together. Y'all gonna see it further in the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Came out fire. So you see, as we unmasking off the shoe, and right now we're taking off the Nike tag because we want to embroider something on there for his special lady. So my boy with the assist, using this machine to be able to embroider the patch on there, but we was having some difficulties because her name, the letters in there, it was too many letters for the embroidery machine to do small text. So we had to hit an audible. But it was giving us games though. But my boy always came through. Relo 1, sewing machine 0, because we got this done. But we had to improvise though. So now we're going in with our beige and also some 2 soft 1-to-1, just to make sure we keep our tags soft. Ooh, do a little spin for me, baby. Look at that. Damn. That boy risk taker went crazy. Take risks or die wondering. Stop playing. The roulette got the satin lining in this bad boy, and then we got Snickers right there. That boy cooking.
You might have to lift it up off of you though. Oh, I don't
really?
know if I can.
So we improvising. You feel me?
Well, you want to first stitch for it. So you feel me? nicely. System.
Now, when I say these came out clean, like a chef's kiss. Now add that fork coat on there just to make sure our shoes is protected, because we don't want to do all this work and not let our shoes be protected. Let me know if you guys follow this tutorial and make some yourself. Make sure you tag me on Instagram. I want to see all the crazy color combinations you guys come out with, because I know y'all can just go crazy with it. And if you feel like I gave you any game in here, drop a like and comment for me. It just helps YouTube know that this video was useful to you and you got game from it, knowledge. You should push it out to anybody else that want to be able to see videos like this. I will highly appreciate it. But thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Enjoy these cinematic views of these lovely finished product of the Cherry Blossom Gucci Air Force Ones. Stay blessed, y'all.